Hi guys, so my name is Cassandra. So I want to give you guys some information on Poshmark. I have been using Poshmark for a few months now, and my closet name is Sassy Hush Hush. So at Sassy Hush Hush. If you want to use my code, it'll be down below. You can get $5 as credit. Right now they have a promotion that you get $10 as credit. So definitely take advantage of that. But basically, Poshmark is an app that you can download to your phone. It's free of charge, and you can resell items or sell items from your closet for cash. Super easy. Like, we download so many apps. Poshmark should be one that you have on your phone. Poshmark has been like such a lifesaver. I've had weight loss. I've had changes in my career, so I have a lot of things in my closet that I no longer use. So it's a really good way to rotate your wardrobe, and then also just making extra cash. Once you download the actual app, you make a profile. Whether you decide to buy on Poshmark, because you don't have to be a seller, you can actually just shop on there, and maybe there's an item that you don't want to like pay full price for that you've seen at the store or something. Check on Poshmark. Somebody might have it at a discount. I mean, I've bought things that I'm like, oh wow, why haven't I done this before? So I've actually have like about 5 tips for you guys, and I want to share them with you guys so that you guys can get your little Poshmark business going too. So just to start off, I have been when I am taking my photos for Poshmark, like the photos of your actual item, you want to make sure that they're clear, that you have good lighting, that you're taking different angles of the item, you're taking the inside of the lining of, you know, maybe it's a jacket, maybe it's a handbag, so that way the buyer has every angle of the item that they're looking to purchase. With that, it actually benefits you as a seller. It allows you to change the cover photo because you already have like a ton of great photos, and now you just have to switch it up. Once you're able to do that, you're attracting different buyers. First impressions are everything, and it's going to create more traffic to your closet. Different type of buyers are going to come take a look at your closet. Maybe one photo attracts a certain type of person, maybe another one maybe didn't attract that buyer the first time they saw your item when you shared it, but the second time that you change the cover shot, it's gonna like, hey, I'm gonna click on that. What is that? Because a lot of people don't actually click on the item. They just look at that first little picture, that first icon, and if they're not appealed by it, if they're, you know, they're like, oh, I don't really think I need that, they're gonna scroll on through. So if you have some really good photos and you're able to switch them out throughout the week or throughout the month, however long you have your item on sale for, that's going to totally help you and bring more potential buyers to your closet. The second tip that I have is sharing. Making sure that you're sharing your closet, whether you're designating a certain time for it or you're doing it while, you know, in between the day, whether you're on break. I know for myself, I find myself sharing my closet whether I'm waiting in the car, you know, maybe I'm at the bank, maybe I'm picking up a prescription and I'm waiting, I'm there sharing in my closet. Also, different times are going to attract different buyers. Of course, there's peak times, there's party times, so definitely share during parties. Even if you think that you don't have an item related to the party, share during that time anyway, because it's going to attract more. You're making a presence known on Poshmark. You're making your closet, you're attracting more people to your closet. And Poshmark has so many different parties that even there's going to be at least one party that has something that is related to your closet or to your item. So don't exclude it. Going back to sharing, community sharing other people's closet. When you do that, you're attracting more potential buyers to your closet. Other resellers are going to take a look at your closet because you share their item. They're going to return the favor and share your items to their followers. And it just, again, it creates your presence. You're active on the actual app. You want to be active on Poshmark. And then that goes into my third tip, which is offering discounts and free, discounted shipping or a discount on the item to people who like your item. So if you're sharing, people are going to most likely like your item. When they like your item, you have the option as a seller to offer a discount on shipping and then also offer a discount on the item. Poshmark makes it really easy. They have a 10 to 30% category that you can offer to the buyer, to the potential buyer, or you can put in your own amount. But I just go by what Poshmark has because it makes my life so much easier. And then you can offer a discount on shipping, or you can offer free shipping. And a lot of people really like that feature because the buyer maybe doesn't want to pay full price on shipping or shipping in general. It may discourage them. So you being able to offer that to the buyer, there you go, a potential sale. So you definitely don't want to miss out on that. When it comes to reducing prices, you can also reduce the price of the actual item. So maybe you don't want to offer a discount to every liker, but you want to reduce the price on it. That's going to attract more people to your closet, to browse your closet, potential buyers. Poshmark pretty much sends out an alert that your item has now been reduced in price. Sometimes they offer a discount on shipping for a certain amount of hours, but it'll alert people that are browsing. It'll put it on the current recent item listed. So it allows you to pretty much your item be on the top of the list when people are browsing. With that, I know I've tested it out, and these are all tips that I've tested out on my closet that have been working for me. With reducing your prices, I've realized that people actually come back and will ask questions. They will offer, provide an offer for my item. And that right there just shows me that it's creating a presence, that it's me sharing my closet is attracting more people to view my closet, and then of course potentially buy from my closet. And then of course the final fifth one is sales make sales. I got this from Aurora Styles, and this was, we were just having a good conversation, and basically, she encouraged me to take whatever offer that they gave me. And it was just something I tested out. I was like, I don't want to sell my item for, that amount or whatever. But then when I got the sale, it encouraged me to continue to share, to continue to list, to continue to be on when parties were going on, because it motivated me. A sale inspired, lit a little fire in me, and I wanted to continue to sell on Poshmark, to promote Poshmark, to continue sharing my closet on Poshmark. And so with that, it, of course, once you start sharing your listing, you're bringing in more inventory to list, and you're offering discounts, all of that is going to add more traffic to your closet, bring in more potential buyers. And with that, what happens? You make a sale. So sales make sales. It totally worked for me. I thought it was so weird to even hear that. I'm like, oh yeah, but honestly, it's been working. And all of these things, again, I've tried out for myself. I am super content with how my Poshmark business has been going. I do it part-time, but the time that I devote to it has been I'm getting whatever I get out of it. I'm getting whatever I put into it, and I'm super content. So if you haven't downloaded Poshmark yet, go download it. I'll leave a link below. And then also you can use my code if this is your first time ever using Poshmark, and receive credit. And just honestly go have fun with it. It's a super awesome app. And if you don't have it, you need to get it. Go get Poshmark. We'll talk to you soon.